guys and welcome back to my channel. And मैंने सोचा कि I was having some momos and I ordered some momos and I should talk to you guys over food. I mean, this is going to be a very raw video, but we are going to talk about it. So I feel like when people are moving from 12th to college and the entire transition phase, like people do feel about it, but they never talk about it. And I personally would have loved for somebody to tell me how it feels, and it is okay to not feel okay during this period of time. Last made a video like this, I was in grade 10th, and now I've grown. It's almost been 2 years since I actually posted some genuine content, and now when I'm back, I want to talk about a few things, and this being one of them. And I wanted to keep it very raw, very impromptu, so that I can talk my heart out with regards to this matter. As simple as that. It is very very difficult. Interesting it may sound for me to say that college जाके तो कितना मज़ा आएगा and all of that. Going to college and the entire process is very rigorous, very pressurizing, both from the society, from yourself, and from your parents and peers and everybody. जब मैं छोटी थी, I like everybody else would tell my parents कि college जाके तो कितना मज़ा आएगा. And now we have so much to think about. Like I look at people my age and I'm like, bro, ये तो कितने ज़्यादा ही like ज़्यादा कुछ कर रहे हैं. I am nowhere near them. I am not even doing what I'm supposed to do. I'm so worried all the time. I'm so overwhelmed all the time. And it is just a very weird प्लेस टू बी इन. लाइक अश्योरेंस कि मुझे क्या करना है यार 5 महीने बाद, मुझे पता ही नहीं है मैं कहाँ होंगी. द वर्ल्ड इज़ सो वेग राइट नाउ. देयर इज़ नथिंग दैट इज़ डेफिनेट, दैट इज़ क्लियर. एंड स्पेशली फॉर पीपल लाइक मी, डेफिनेट बाउंड्रीज में रहना पसंद है. दिस बिकम्स एवर सो मोर डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज आई ऑनेस्टली cannot fathom not having to doing something or so intimidating. CVT has not happened. Any of my exams as a humanities student have not happened yet because I decided not to go to privates, and I really want to go into the government sphere irrespective of whatever I have heard about. Just individual perspective that I have developed. Yours can be different. Giving all in is something that a lot of people do, and I do that personally, and that is not a healthy habit. And I did give my all in, but especially in the last 3 months, to be honest. And I don't know whatever it will yield. I've seen how my health has faced effects of the entire stress that comes with it. I am glad and very happy for all those people who are able to balance and all that intense amount of stress that comes by. And all of some people, and especially at some period of time, there is a breaking point for everybody, and it is not as glorious and as glittery as it may sound, like the entire going to college phase. Irrespective of how this entire video may sound like a complaining session of me complaining about the things that everybody has to face, it's honestly, I will consider it like a rant for myself. That does not mean that we do not have to do it. So irrespective of me feeling all of this, I still have the target to do well in CUET, do well in academics. A lack of appreciation for when we as students achieve so much, because we feel like there is only this one thing that will decide our career, and we have been taught or only one aspect of our life counts and everything else is like a blunder and it is nothing that will count. I feel like for anybody who is going through a certain phase, a similar phase, I get you. I completely get you. For any of those of you who have an advice for people like me who are feeling something similar, put them down in the comments. And thank you so much for listening to my rant. And yeah, I'll see you there in the next video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and see ya.